Today I have a 2-for-1 special. That means that I'm going to give you 2 exercises at once. Now this exercise is going to both strengthen and stretch your hip rotators. Now your hip rotation is super important because, as I told you before, it keeps you from having back pain, knee pain, walking funny, looking like an old person. There's a lot of good things that come from having strong, loose hips. All you need to do this exercise is a table. You can do it on a bed as long as you're fairly high off the ground. That's all I care about. And this is what it looks like. You are going to lie on your side with your legs over the side of the table. So it looks like this. Oh my, well, don't I look relaxed? And what I want you to do is I want those knees and hips to be at about 90 degrees. I'm already doing the first part of the exercise because as I'm sitting here talking to you, and you can watch my leg is slowly dropping down. That bottom leg is slowly getting lower to the table. That's because the weight of my top leg is stretching my bottom leg. So right now I'm getting a really strong stretch into my bottom hip rotator. And then from here, what I want you to do is keeping your feet together. You're going to point your heels towards the ceiling. Now, I don't care how high those heels go. And then you're going to bring them down. It's almost like you're making a windshield wiper motion of your lower legs, right? So you're going to go up as high as you can. That strengthens this top leg and the bottom one. And you're going to let it sag down, as far as you can. Boy, my right leg is tight. And look, I just sit here for a little bit. I let gravity do the work. This is a fantastic exercise. You should do it on both sides. You can do as much or as little as you want. You can do it every day if you want. And what it'll do is it'll help those hip rotators get loose and strong. And then when you're done, you're done. Try it out.